Lawyers for the governor's office are responding today to a lawsuit the federal government filed against the state over House Bill 2. That comes as a war of words is taking place between the governor's campaign and the campaign of his challenger, Attorney General Roy Cooper. CBS North Carolina political reporter Bo Minnick joins us live in Raleigh to explain. Bo.
Sharon, both sides are putting out conflicting statements about the Attorney General's involvement in the legal proceedings, and lawyers for the governor say they want the case to be thrown out. The back and forth over House Bill 2 continues, this time in court. Attorneys representing the state and the governor filed these papers in federal court, disputing the federal government's claims that House Bill 2 violates the Civil Rights Act. The attorneys argued gender identity is not a protected class under Title VII and Title IX, and that the federal government is attempting to redefine how the term sex applies to federal regulations. Prior to that action, the Attorney General's office requested the federal court grant an extension to North Carolina for it to respond to the lawsuit. The governor's campaign immediately said Cooper was reversing course in his stance that the AG's office would not defend HB2. The Attorney General's office said the filing was only to make sure the state had time to respond and that Cooper's office was still not going to defend the merits of HB2. Both campaigns criticized the other, and state lawmakers chimed in.
My understanding from what I've seen so far is that the Attorney General has now taken the position to defend the state. I think, frankly, the Attorney General has a duty to defend the state.
The Attorney General has made it clear that his office is not defending the state on House Bill 2, not defending the university on House Bill 2.
McCrory's campaign called on Cooper to resign. Cooper's campaign says there's misinformation being put out today by the governor's camp. Ahead at 6 o'clock, more details on what's in the state's response to the lawsuit. Live in Raleigh, Bo Minnick, CBS North Carolina.